Hello everyone, today I want to talk about Elon Musk's newest crypto project, which is powered by Grok, his most advanced neural network. Over the last week I've been putting this trading bot to the test with my own funds, and now I want to share the actual results together with my honest opinion. Before we get into it, a quick but necessary disclaimer: this is not financial advice. I'm not a licensed advisor, and everything in this video is based only on my own experience. So what is this project about? In simple terms, it's a crypto trading bot built on Grok that automates the process, removes emotional decisions, and reacts to the market far faster than a person ever could. The system constantly monitors the market, searches for strong opportunities, and follows the actions of large players with serious capital behind them. According to the creators, the bot can generate up to 170% profit in a single week. They also say that support is responsive, and if something goes wrong on their end, they provide a refund. I haven't personally needed that option because everything has been running smoothly so far without bugs or technical problems. Now let me walk you through how I'm using it. If you're a beginner, I'd recommend starting with the Prime tariff plan. All the details are available on the main page, and I'll leave the link in the description. The first step is to log in or create a new account. You can also sign in with your X account, and the whole process takes just a couple of minutes. This is the main dashboard. It looks clean, simple, and easy to understand. On the left side, you can immediately see the total profit for the current session, along with the main statistics. Even if you're new to this, figuring it out won't take long. Deposits and withdrawals are very fast. In most cases, they take less than a minute. Now I'll make a deposit. I'm topping up through the SOL network and adding $100 because then my profit will be 250% per week, which is already a pretty good result, unlike other tariff plans where the percentage of profitability is much lower. The transfer has been sent, so now we wait. As I mentioned, the funds arrived in less than a minute. Next, I press engine power to launch the bot. Starting it takes a couple of minutes. While it's working, you can watch in real time how it automatically copies the winning trades of major market players. It analyzes the market live, tracks large wallets, and opens similar positions using our own capital. That way we move with big money instead of trying to fight against it. One of the main advantages here is full automation. You only need to press a button and the bot takes care of the rest. There's no need to sit in front of the screen all day and night. It reacts instantly to market changes, which is almost impossible to do manually. After a little time has passed, let's take a look at the results from this session. As you can see, the balance moved in the right direction, which means the bot is currently functioning properly. Now I'm going to withdraw the balance to show you how the payout process works. I choose the Solana network, click the max option, and enter the wallet address where I want to receive the funds. After checking the address once more, I confirm the transaction and wait for it to be processed. While the transfer is being confirmed, a few final words to finish the video. If you want to see more tests, strategies, and real-time experiments with different crypto bots, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for future uploads. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, share it with someone else interested in crypto, and leave your questions or results in the comments. I always read them. So in the end, all the funds were withdrawn successfully, everything worked exactly as planned, and the platform balance returned to zero after the payout.